Hey guys, so after using this dental floss, which is just like that, I figured that I need something like this. And this is a dental floss holder by Yapua. I bought two of them. One is pink and one is blue. And let me show you how I attach this. First of all, really good construction on this. It's nice and thick and firm. I like that you can put this inside of your mouth and go deep into the spots that you can't reach simply by doing this because it's uncomfortable. And this is how you attach it. You get a piece of floss. You have instructions. First thing is you're gonna wrap the dental floss around point A, and point A is right here. Step 2 is wrap the dental floss around the 2 points B and C, and squeeze B and C and tighten the dental floss to point A and go around point A. Step 3 is wrap the dental floss around point A 4 times, round an upper semicircle, go around a complete circle, and around the lower semicircle in a complete circle. I'm gonna wrap all this around and we're done. Look how tight that is. So a tip is before going to step 3 is you're gonna squeeze this and then tighten it even more, and that is gonna help the floss stay on better. After flossing my teeth and reaching all the way back and pulling, this floss is still tight. I'm very surprised. It's awesome. So yeah, make sure you follow the instructions.